在收看的是头发拿猫手，现在在台北市政府。今天天气非常好，今天来参加台北同志大游行。我们来去看看现场热闹的情况。影片开始前别忘了先订阅我的频道，我们就待会见，走吧。其实我自己搭过七八次才出来，不完全。待会我们就要去爬271阶梯，现在通马的位置呢是在。同志游行呢，今年是第17届，经过非常多年的努力，终于在5月24号，台湾成为亚洲第一个合法结婚的国家。所以今年呢是同婚元年的口号，天气非常的好，我们来看看今年热闹的景象吧。
I've been feeling so small.Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so.Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
今年同志大游行的主题呢，叫做“同志好处比”。应该说，平常其实我们都不知道我们身边有很多同志，可能是你的同学啊，或者是你的同事也好，或甚至是你最爱的家人都有可能是同志。你从出柜开始，就是一个很大的一个挑战，因为有时候并不是不说，而是你会考虑到家人是否接受，或是你的朋友是否接受，有可能被贴上标签这件事情。
I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, nothing can break me.
今天看到了非常多的好朋友，全部都有来到现场。同志同婚要开始，其实并不是一个结束，还必须要跟家人朋友们一起来做沟通，不会再发生有霸凌的歧视的行为。一直以来，同志在这个议题上面呢，都非常受到争议。你也支持同志的话，希望你每年都可以再站出来，这一个大环境一起加油，一起来让台湾变成更友善的一个地方。身为台湾人，自己非常的骄傲。如果你喜欢我影片的话，别忘了帮我订阅、按赞、分享。那我们就下一支影片见喽，拜拜。
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.